Welcome to today's video, where we're going to tackle a common problem that many of us face when working with text data: how to turn broken lines into one single character. Have you ever found yourself dealing with a large dataset or a long piece of text, only to realize that it's full of line breaks and formatting issues? Maybe you've tried copying and pasting text from a website or document, but it just doesn't look right in your own application or spreadsheet. This is an important topic because working with clean and well-formatted data can save us so much time and effort in the long run. Not to mention, it makes our lives easier when we're trying to analyze or process that data. In this video, we'll explore a simple yet effective solution to this problem. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to take any text with broken lines and transform it into one single character. So, let's dive right in. The first thing to understand is what's causing these line breaks in our text data. Sometimes they can occur due to formatting issues, like when we copy and paste from a website that uses HTML or other markup languages. Other times they might be caused by the way our operating system or application handles text input. To fix this issue, we need to find a way to remove these line breaks without affecting the actual content of the text. One approach is to use a technique called text normalization. Essentially, what this means is that we want to take our original text and transform it into a standardized format, free from any unnecessary formatting or special characters. To do this, we can follow a few simple steps. First, we need to identify where these line breaks are occurring in our text data. Sometimes they might be represented by specific characters like new line or carriage return, while other times they might be hidden from view. Once we've located these line breaks, we can use various techniques to remove them and replace them with a single character. For example, let's say we have a piece of text that looks like this Helen world. In this case, the new line character, N, is causing our text to break onto two separate lines. To fix this, we could simply replace the new line character with a space or another character of our choice, resulting in a single line of text like Hello World. So, what are the main points to take away from today's tutorial? First and foremost, it's essential to understand that working with clean and well-formatted data can save us so much time and effort. When dealing with broken lines in our text data, we need to identify where these line breaks are occurring and use techniques like text normalization to remove them. The key takeaway here is that by following a few simple steps, we can take any text with broken lines and transform it into one single character. This might involve using specific characters or techniques to replace line breaks, but the end result will always be worth it: clean, well-formatted data that's easy to work with. Thanks for watching today's tutorial on how to turn broken lines into one single character. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to leave them in the section below. Or don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips on working with data. What's your experience been like when dealing with broken lines in text data? Have you found any other solutions that work well for you? Let us know, and we might just feature it in a future tutorial.